What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. So this one particularly is Okpato Zuora one na Oba the Okpole Yankee of all people, and this one was done by Ayindon Onyichaka. I'm talking about the song, and that is what we'll be doing here. Alex Ekubo becomes a doctor in Benin Republic, in one university in Benin Republic, and on their way back they vibed the song back to back. Alongside with him was the CEO of Vintage Interior, the most expensive interior decor you can ever think of in Lagos, Nigeria, and also with him was Ike Ogbonna in the building. Ike Ogbonna too was with them on their way back. That's what we'll be sharing here in the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, share, comment in the comment section. Okpato Zuora has done a lot for the people of Oba and Nigeria at large. His entertainment industry is one of the best in Nigeria, so he deserves that credit. Anyway, enjoy the song. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment in the comment section.
Dr. Ikuku Alex Ekubo one. Doctor with a style. Doctor lifestyle. Doctor with a style. Thank you so much. One more drink.
Now, a lot of people will be saying, why all of this praises, why all of this show of glory and all that? You don't know what Okpato Zuora has actually done for this guy that made him drop a song about him. Like, there's something when someone blesses you beyond your imagination and you don't know how to share your appreciation. You just have to take it into music, do a research about him, and give it to the world as a, like, just giving it to the world in glory. That's what he did here. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment in the comment section. Visit our blog at Lion Mark TV. You get the song there.